Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Poco M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to set gesture navigation bar on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just go to the full screen display section, and here now as can you see we got selected the buttons, and just switch it to the full screen gestures, and as can you see the buttons just are gone. Here you can hide your full screen indicator. As can you see, when I just tap here once on the switcher, the screen indicator is gone, and now it's available on our screen. So, and now just I'll show you how you can use your screen gestures. Now just to swipe the application to the background, just swipe with your finger here to the app, or if you wanna just go back here to the settings, for example, and if you wanna and we'll just go to the Bluetooth, and if you wanna just go to the settings menu, swipe here with your finger to the right side, and you'll get here to the settings menu. Now just if you'll just swipe with a finger to the right or to the left side, you will just go back by this way. And then if you want to just close all your background applications, now we'll just open a couple of applications to show you how you can do that. Just hold for a while and swipe with your finger to the app, and by the same way swipe your applications to the left side, or just tap here on the X icon. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.